Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to remove a passkey from your Google account, a simple way to manage your login security. Let's get right into it. Start by heading to the Google homepage, then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Manage your Google account. This opens your main account settings where you can control your personal data and security preferences. Now, look to the left-hand side and select the Security tab. Inside, scroll down until you find the section titled Passkeys. Click on it to view all passkeys currently linked to your Google account. Here, you'll see a list of devices or services that have set up passkeys for quick sign-in. To remove one, simply click the X icon next to the passkey you no longer need. Confirm the action when prompted, and just like that, it's removed. And that's it. That's all it takes to delete a passkey and keep your account secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.